Well, hello again, and welcome to Cluster 8 of your Qualification National Certificate in Business Administration Services. One more cluster left, and you're well on your way to becoming the best administrator you can be. In this cluster, we explore technology solutions development in the form of web browsers, word processing, and spreadsheet software application. So what exactly is the Internet? The Internet is a worldwide network of computers connected to each other through various connections. It is the largest network in the world and it connects people on a daily basis. It uses a language that allows computers to talk to each other, known as HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, just as the place where we stay has an address, so does the Internet need an address to send and receive information. This address is called an IP, Internet Protocol. Each device is allocated an IP. The HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, defines how messages are formatted and transmitted on the web. The subdomain tells us we are looking for something online. The domain name, which is the name of the link to the information on the Internet, which is known as the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. The top-level domain, which ends with either .com for commercial sites, .co for company sites, and a file path. Company sites have additional part of the address to indicate which country the site is situated, for instance, .za, .au for Australia. Then we get .gov level domains, which are allocated to governments, and .org to organizations. The Internet is made up of two basic components, www, which is the World Wide Web, and electronic mail communications. The World Wide Web is a large collection of information and documents known as web pages. These pages are stored on computers all over the world. Web pages are designed in hypertext formats, and the links allow us easy access to other related information. Email is a communication system that is connected to send and receive electronic mail. Web pages, being information, are collectively grouped together to form a website. To access these pages, an application known as a web browser is needed. This provides an interface for the user to easily navigate themselves and access information on the web. Browsers use HTTP hypertext transfer protocols to control the flow of traffic between addresses. Examples of web browsers include Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Fox, etc. Search engines are applications that are supported by the web browsers to provide a directory inquiry of information for specified keywords and/or phrases. Google, Bing, Yahoo are all examples of search engines. Cookies are files created on internet sites to store information on your computer. Caches, on the other hand, is memory space created on your computer by the application that also allows quick access to data. Things like your search inquiries, the sites you visit, they use cookies to store your information so that they can easily access it later, or you can easily access it later. When you go in, you've noticed that sometimes a page may load a lot faster, or your information is already there. That's because it's been stored in a cookie. To connect to the Internet, we need a computer with suitable hardware, meaning the suitable network card to be able to connect to the Internet. Then we need an Internet service provider, commonly known as an ISP, and a web browser. An ISP is an Internet service provider that provides you with an Internet connection, usually at a monthly fee. And that's a wrap for Internet technologies. Let's take a look at what we've learned. Websites are a collection of web pages with stored information, either about a specific topic and/or a business for advertising purposes. HTML is the programming language that the Internet uses to communicate. Emails is a communication application that allows users to send and receive electronic mail. Search engines are directories of information that allows you to quickly search for a specific topic and/or subject. Cookies are little programs stored on the internet to provide quick access to your movements. Caches is small memory that is created for the computer to quickly access information.